every person who visits my home inspector website, I can convert into a scheduled client. It's very easy and I'll show you how. Here's my phone and let's visit my home inspector website. See what happens. I have a message on my phone saying that I'm being visited by someone and they're on my home page. And now I can see they're visiting my qualifications page. Now let's say I'm on the roof doing an inspection and I get a notification on my phone that someone's visiting my website. What do I want to do? I want to convert them into a scheduled client. How do I do that? I chat with them. Imagine chatting with everybody who visits your website. I have an 80% chance of converting that website visitor into a scheduled client if I can just chat with them. And Internet's official vendor for website designs, they built my website. They provide this chat feature. So let's chat. Hi there, I'm on the roof right now. I see you're visiting my website. I have an opening next week for a home inspection. If you're interested, can I have your phone number? Send. And now I'm getting the phone number of someone who landed on my website and is interested in scheduling a home inspection. That's amazing. Imagine chatting with everyone who visits your website. And this chat feature is included with every website that is designed by Internet's official vendor for website designs, Inspector Website Builder. And that's at natchi.org/website. Start chatting with and converting everyone who visits your website into a scheduled client.